William Tyler Jenkins, known to the world as Grumpy, was born on December 15, 1930 in Malvern, Pennsylvania. Even in his youth, Jenkins displayed a mechanical inclination, often tinkering with machinery. This early fascination with mechanics foreshadowed his future career path. After graduating high school, Jenkins joined his father's construction business. However, his passion lay elsewhere in the heart-pounding world of automobiles and racing. Jenkins's interest in speed and engines ignited during the post-World War II hot rodding craze. He began racing on local drag strips, quickly earning a reputation for his mechanical skills and raw driving talent. His first race car, a modified 1952 Oldsmobile, showcased his knack for squeezing every ounce of power from an engine. It was during these early years that the nickname Grumpy stuck. The moniker, ironically, stemmed from Jenkins's intense focus and no-nonsense demeanor at the track. He was all business, rarely smiling, especially when fine-tuning his cars. Despite the gruff exterior, those who knew him well understood it masked a brilliant mind and a deep passion for his craft. Little did anyone know this serious young man from Pennsylvania was about to revolutionize the world of drag racing. The 1960s marked the beginning of Jenkins's ascent in the world of professional drag racing. He campaigned a series of increasingly competitive cars, primarily Chevrolets, further cementing his reputation as a force to be reckoned with. His meticulous approach to engine building and tuning gave him a significant edge over his competitors. In 1965, Jenkins achieved his first major victory, winning the National Hot Rod Association Winter Nationals in Pomona, California. This win, behind the wheel of a 1965 Chevrolet, catapulted him into the national spotlight and established him as a top contender. The win was no fluke. Jenkins followed it up with consistent top finishes and numerous victories throughout the late 1960s. His success on the track attracted the attention of Chevrolet, leading to a sponsorship deal in 1966. This partnership provided Jenkins with factory support and resources, allowing him to further develop his racing program. The Chevrolet connection also deepened his ties with the brand, which would become synonymous with his racing legacy. As drag racing transitioned into the 1970s, a new class emerged, Pro Stock. This category emphasized factory-derived cars with limited modifications, putting a premium on engine development and driver skill. Jenkins embraced this new challenge, building a car that would become legendary, the 1972 Chevrolet Camaro known as Grumpy's Toy. Grumpy's Toy was a marvel of engineering, showcasing Jenkins's innovative approach to engine building and chassis setup. The car featured a meticulously prepared small-block Chevrolet engine with a revolutionary nitrous oxide injection system. Its lightweight design and aerodynamic enhancements further contributed to its dominance on the track. With Grumpy's Toy, Jenkins embarked on an unprecedented winning streak, capturing numerous event wins and consistently setting new national records. His mastery of the nitrous oxide system, coupled with his precise driving, made him virtually unbeatable during the early years of Pro Stock racing. The car's iconic black and white paint scheme, emblazoned with the Grumpy's Toy moniker, became synonymous with domination and struck fear into the hearts of competitors. Jenkins's impact on motorsports extended far beyond his on-track achievements. He was a gifted engineer, constantly pushing the boundaries of engine performance and vehicle dynamics. His innovations in cylinder head design, camshaft profiles, and fuel system optimization revolutionized the way racing engines were built. One of his most significant contributions was the development of the Jenkins wedge cylinder head. This innovative design, featuring a unique combustion chamber shape and improved port flow, significantly increased engine power and efficiency. The Jenkins wedge became highly sought after by racers across various disciplines and cemented his reputation as a true engine guru. Beyond cylinder heads, Jenkins pioneered advancements in camshaft design, intake manifold optimization, and nitrous oxide injection systems. His meticulous approach to engine building, emphasizing meticulous attention to detail and a deep understanding of fluid dynamics, set new standards for performance. Many of his innovations found their way into mainstream automotive production, influencing the development of high-performance engines for street cars. The mid-1970s witnessed the pinnacle of Jenkins's racing career. He continued to dominate Pro Stock competition, racking up an impressive string of victories and setting national records that stood for years. His relentless pursuit of speed and his unwavering commitment to innovation made him a true icon of the sport. In 1975, Jenkins achieved a milestone victory at the prestigious NHRA US Nationals, held annually in Indianapolis, Indiana. The US Nationals, often referred to as the biggest race of the year, attracted the top racers from across the country. Jenkins's win at this event solidified his status as a legend and etched his name in the annals of drag racing history. His record-setting performances extended beyond individual race wins. Jenkins consistently pushed the boundaries of speed and elapsed time, setting new national records that seemed untouchable at the time. His ability to extract maximum performance from his cars, coupled with his flawless driving, made him a force to be reckoned with on any given Sunday. As the 1970s progressed, Jenkins began to step back from full-time driving, transitioning into the role of team owner and engine builder. He formed Grumpy's Garage, a high-performance engine shop that quickly gained a reputation for building some of the most powerful and reliable racing engines in the country. Despite stepping out of the driver's seat, Jenkins's influence on the sport remained as strong as ever. He fielded competitive pro stock teams, providing young and talented drivers with the opportunity to compete at the highest level. His cars, powered by his meticulously prepared engines, continued to challenge for race wins and championships throughout the late 1970s and 1980s. Beyond his own racing endeavors, Jenkins's engine shop became a hub for racers of all levels seeking a competitive edge. His expertise and willingness to share his knowledge made him a respected mentor to aspiring engine builders and drivers. He understood that the pursuit of speed and performance was a collaborative effort, and he took pride in helping others achieve their racing dreams. While racing consumed much of his life, Jenkins was also a dedicated family man. He married twice, first to Pat and later to Alexandra, known as Alex. He had 4 children, 2 sons, William Jr. and Scott, and 2 daughters, Lisa and Kimberly. His family provided a strong support system throughout his illustrious career. Jenkins's children often accompanied him to the races, gaining a first-hand education in the world of motorsports. His son, Scott, followed in his footsteps, becoming a successful engine builder and crew chief in his own right. The racing legacy of Grumpy Jenkins extended beyond his own accomplishments, influencing the next generation of his family. Away from the track, Jenkins was known for his quiet demeanor and dry sense of humor. He enjoyed spending time with his family, working on projects around his Pennsylvania farm, and indulging his passion for antique cars. Despite his gruff exterior, those close to him knew him as a kind and generous man who was always willing to lend a helping hand. William Grumpy Jenkins left an indelible mark on the world of motorsports. He was more than just a talented driver or a brilliant engine builder. He was a true innovator who pushed the boundaries of performance and inspired generations of racers and engineers. His legacy continues to shape the sport today. Jenkins' impact can be seen in the countless innovations he brought to drag racing and engine building. His meticulous approach to engineering, his relentless pursuit of speed, and his willingness to share his knowledge have influenced the way racing engines are designed and built to this day. Many of his innovations have found their way into mainstream automotive production, improving the performance and efficiency of street cars around the world. Beyond his technical contributions, Jenkins's legacy lives on through the countless racers and engine builders he mentored throughout his career. He fostered a spirit of collaboration and innovation, inspiring others to push the limits of what was possible. His grumpy demeanor masked a deep passion for racing and a genuine desire to see the sport thrive. Jenkins' contributions to motorsports have not gone unnoticed. He has been inducted into numerous halls of fame, cementing his place among the legends of the sport. His achievements serve as a testament to his unparalleled skill, unwavering dedication, and lasting impact on the world of racing. In 1996, Jenkins was inducted into the Motorsports Hall of Fame of America, a testament to his significant contributions to motorsports as a whole. This prestigious honor recognizes individuals who have made outstanding achievements in all forms of motorsports competition, from Formula One to drag racing. Jenkins's induction into this esteemed group solidified his status as a true icon of American racing. He was also inducted into the International Motorsports Hall of Fame in 2008 and the NHRA Hall of Fame in 2012, further solidifying his place among the all-time greats of drag racing. Even though Jenkins is no longer with us, his influence continues to shape the world of motorsports today. His innovative spirit and relentless pursuit of performance continue to inspire racers, engine builders, and fans alike. His legacy is not confined to history books. It lives on in the hearts and minds of those who share his passion for speed and competition. The techniques and technologies pioneered by Jenkins are still widely used in modern racing. His innovations in cylinder head design, camshaft profiles, and fuel system optimization continue to influence the development of high-performance engines. His meticulous approach to engine building, emphasizing precision and attention to detail, remains the gold standard in the industry. Moreover, Jenkins' impact extends beyond the technical realm. William "Grumpy" Jenkins was more than just a racer or an engine builder. He was a visionary who revolutionized the world of motorsports. His relentless pursuit of performance, his innovative spirit, and his unwavering dedication to his craft left an enduring legacy that continues to inspire generations of racers and engineers. From his early days tinkering with cars in Pennsylvania to his record-breaking performances on the drag strip, Jenkins's story is one of passion, determination, and an unquenchable thirst for speed. He approached every challenge with a meticulous eye for detail and a relentless desire to extract every ounce of performance from his machines. His grumpy exterior belied a brilliant mind and a kind heart, always willing to share his knowledge and help others achieve their racing dreams. William "Grumpy" Jenkins may no longer be with us, but his legend lives on. He will forever be remembered as a true icon of motorsports, a pioneer who shaped the sport we know and love today. His name is etched in the annals of racing history, a testament to his enduring legacy and the unfading spirit of innovation that he embodied.